bum, lad. Bum, 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 bum.
Let's get down to business.
To
And
defeat the Hun. Did they send me Evas when I asked for non-Evas? You're the saddest Eva I've ever met, and you haven't got a clue. Somehow I'll make a man out of you. Da-da-dum. Tranquil as a forest, with the fire within. Be a man, you must be swift as a raging fire. Be a man with all the strength of a great typhoon. Be a man with all the force of a winding river, mysterious as the dark side of the moon.
Yeah, not Carl.
You must be swift as a coursing Eva.
Yeah, not Carl.
You must be swift as the Eva. Eva, mysterious as Philip that plays League of Angels.
Level 45.
Yeah. Be a man, you must not play video games all day. Be a Carl, you must sing beautiful like Eva. Oh wait, she doesn't even sing that good. Oh well, I still sing beautiful anyway. Not you. Once. Ooh, you always have I know you. I walked with you once upon a dream. I know you. The gleam in your eyes is so familiar at something that rhymes with gleam, and I know you too. The dreams in your eyes are so familiar to me, and if I know you, I know what you'll do. You'll love me at once, the way you did once upon